A quick introduction to gear designs. So for this style of design, you will use one gear, which in this case it's a 72 today from the compact gear set. And we're gonna make it stationary. You can use tape or putty or weights. I'm gonna use a bunch of magnets to stop them from sliding around, because the other thing is you're using another gear. Oh, Lemon, out of the shot. There you go, yeah, lie down right there. Almost good enough. Okay, let's see if I can rotate, go around the cat. All right, so for this one, you have a stationary central gear and a gear you're moving. I'm gonna start in penhole 2A. When I'm trying new designs out or just demoing stuff, I don't usually use penhole 1A. It's just harder. It can lead to great results, but for experimentation, I'll just start with 2A or A2. How you want to call it, and it rotates around. And when your pen is far away from the central gear, that part's easier. And when your pen is right trying to move past the central gear, that bit's where it's most likely to slip, right here as you're accelerating away. And you can just help with your other hand. Just a tiny bit of rotation, it doesn't have to be hard. So not slipping as you do this bit is the most prominent challenge, because it's easy to just press hard and skip off in the direction you're trying to go. And the second technique to pay attention to is not pushing too hard, because if you push really hard, like in that way with your pen when you're trying to roll so it doesn't skip out, you'll move this gear. So that's this type of design, gear around gear. You can do it with a lot of different gears and hoops, and in my next video I will cover some interesting variations, but today I just want to talk about the basics. So you can do it like this. Also, you'll notice that the tick marks on the gears are all on the teeth, and so if you're trying to line up tick marks with tick marks, you can't. So it'll always feel like your gear moving around is like a half tooth offset from the central gear. The Encyclopedic gear set solves that problem. I'll do a video about that sometime soon also. And just to spice things up a little bit, I will do just a little bit more on this design. And so I've just picked penhole 1B, and I offset it by 1 tooth from the starting point, which I think is looking kind of neat. That was actually not what I intended to do, but this is working out just fine. It gives sort of a dynamic shape, and I'm really enjoying it. And so, yeah, this is gear and gear designs, and tomorrow, let me know if you have any questions or if you have difficulties with this I can speak to. I just want to show it off as a possibility. And it can make, oh, one last thing, it can make really big designs, because instead of moving around in a ring that you're constrained in, you're moving around a gear. And so the width of your design is the width of the central gear plus the width of the moving gear twice, because it's once over here and once over here. And so you can sort of eyeball that. If you want another way to approximate size, gear diameter is approximately equal to gear tooth count. So this design is approximately 60 and 60 is 120, plus 72 is 192, so it's about 190 millimeters. Did I say centimeters earlier? 60 millimeters, 72 millimeters. Centimeters would be too big. So about 19 centimeters, 190 millimeters, almost 8 inches. And we can see here this is an 8.5 by 11, so it's just shy of 8 inches probably. Okay, so that's this basic technique. More advanced versions, wackier weight things to do with this next video. Thanks for watching, and say bye, Lemon.